Well, we are here at the arena in San Juan City as FU celebrates this 12th straight win for them. And the women's volleyball tournament, Trish Roque is chatting with our best player, Rachel Ann Dakis. Go ahead, Trish.
Yes, Boom. I am with Rachel Ann Dakis of the FU Lady Tamaraws. Congratulations, Rachel. Okay, yung second set, medyo naging dikit yung set na yun. Ano yung sinabi sa ni Coach Ness? Paano kayo nag-adjust?
Kulang lang kami sa receive at saka yung second set, binigyan kasi ng chance yung others na para makapaglaro sa game.
So, after this game, you'll be facing LaSalle, ang inyong toughest competitor. So, paano kayo magpa-prepare for LaSalle?
Siguro more on blockings at saka defense yung pagtutusan namin ng pansin para sa darating namin paglalaban ng LaSalle.
Okay, may gusto kang batian, Rachel?
Hi po kay Tito Bong, kay Tita Baby, tsaka sa family ko sa Taytay, tsaka sa mga titas ko po, tsaka Lolo, Lola sa Caloocan, tsaka sa Peñaranda family, tsaka sa mga family po ng teammates ko, tsaka kay Kuya Laging happy birthday.
Yan, sige, congratulations, Rachel. Back to you, Bumenan.
Okay na eh, pinati pa si Larry eh. Okay na eh, okay na yung pagbati niya. But Larry, of course, our teammate here sa panel, the silent one, yet the one who has the most stories of all. All right, tomorrow we are back here at the arena in San Juan for NU versus USD in our first game. And an all-important match for De La Salle University as they go up against their collegiate rivals Ateneo de Manila to try to stay close to league-leading FU Tamaraws. Lights are closing here at the arena in San Juan, so it's time for us to say goodbye on behalf of Trish Roque and Ann Remulla, everybody in the truck working for ABS-CBN Sports. I'm Boom Gonzalez saying so long from the arena in San Juan, and we'll see you right back here tomorrow on Studio 23.